Hello, my Stanford. Programming languages are used to teach a computer how to achieve a given task. They allow programmers to implement the instructions they have written into a programmer and that can be run on a computer. Scratch allows us to use very basic building blocks and connect them together to create a computer program. First of all, we type keywords MIT Scratch on Google Chrome. You can see the lot of options and go to the download section. Now you can see the minimum requirement for the software and choose your operating system, Windows, or if you have Apple Mac. So I have a Windows operating system, so go to below direct. After download, just go to the output folder and click the setup and start the installing process. Finally, the window confirms about the successful of installations. Click on finish and is that the Scratch software. You can see the software is working perfectly. Thank you.